how to add Typeform entries to MailerLite as subscribers automatically. So in this video, I'm going to connect or integrate Typeform and MailerLite in such a way that every time the form submission is received here, I'm going to automatically add the very same person into the MailerLite as a subscriber, so that I don't need to manually export the CSV file of all the submissions and then import it here in order to create a subscribers. And I am going to do that with the help of an automation software. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Typeform dashboard, and here I have created a form for the registration of the webinar, and I want whoever is going to submit this form, the person should be created as a subscriber automatically into the MailerLite, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect to multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Well, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on sign in, then I have clicked on access now, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after that, the very first thing I'm going to do is to click on this blue button, create workflow, and simply pasting a name as when form is submitted in Typeform, create subscriber in MailerLite. Okay, you can also provide any random name here. Now after that, you will notice two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever the form is submitted in Typeform application, automatically create subscriber in MailerLite application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. And here I am building an automation in Typeform and MailerLite. Okay, and the trigger event will be new entry, because I want every time a new entry is made into my form, the details should be first captured via Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll have to connect a Typeform with the Pabbly Connect. So choose this add a new connection, simply connect with the Typeform, and if you are already logged in into your Typeform account, it will simply ask you for the permission. Okay, so simply provide the permission, click on accept, and this is how the authorization will be successful and your Typeform account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now, whatever the forms are available into my Typeform account have started visible here since we are connected, and I want that as soon as someone is going to fill this particular form, the data should be arrived here. So I will select the same form builder. Now simply click on this button, and now you will have to read the instructions, which is saying waiting for the response. Okay, so once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. So basically it is asking to do a test submission or record into our Typeform. So I am going to open my form and I am going to fill our form with some dummy details. Alright, so this is my form. Let me open this form, clicking on this copy link, and I will open the very same form completely in a new tab, in a different tab, and then I am going to fill this form using some dummy details. So first name, assume that the name of the person is dummy. Alright, the last name of the person is user. Alright, asking for the email address, so I am adding the test@gmail.com. okay, press enter. Asking for the phone number, again I am going to add the dummy phone number only. Alright, so I have provided a dummy number, basically 10-digit number. Alright, here you can see the form is submitted, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and it is still waiting for the response. And here you can see as soon as the form is submitted, the details are here. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the form name, and let me also check for other details, basically for the form submission data. Alright, so here we have that dummy phone number. Where are the email address. Alright, here we have the email address, here we have the last name of the person, and here we have the full name of the person. Okay, so this is how basically the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step of our automation of our integration is working absolutely fine, which was connecting Typeform with Pabbly Connect and capturing the form responses here. Now I am going to send the same data to which application? Basically to the MailerLite application in which I would like to create a subscriber. Okay, so that is why I'll select this MailerLite, and in action event, since I want to create a subscriber, so that is why I have selected the same. Simply click on connect, click on add new connection, and for connection it is asking for the token, so you will have to read the instructions. Well, click on this hyperlink and it will directly take you to that specific place from where you can generate your token. Okay, so simply click on this particular button and provide a random token name, and this is how the token will be generated automatically, which you can download for the future use, for the further use. But I have already connected my MailerLite account with Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am not generating a new token. I will go with the existing connections only, but it is compulsory for you. If you're building the connections for the first time, you'll have to choose this add a new connection only, and you will have to generate this token and you will have to provide that token. Okay, clicking on save, and this is how the MailerLite account will be connected with Pabbly Connect immediately. Now I am going to simply provide the details here one by one. Okay, so let me provide the email address of the person. Alright, so currently nothing is selected, so I am going to enable this mapping button so that I can provide the values, and I am going to map these details. Okay, I am not going to manually copy this name and email address and paste it here. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here, and I am going to search for the email address directly. Alright, here we have that email address, okay, which I will have to create as a subscriber. Alright, now it is asking for the name and the last name. So currently I am providing only the necessary details, only few details, those details which are actually required for creating a subscriber. Okay, so well, it is asking for the name, so I remember I have provided the first name as the dummy and the last name as the user. So how about I directly search for those specific value. Alright, so I have provided the details. Now I am going to click on this button, but before that let me also provide the phone number here as well. Okay, so I have provided the phone number as well. Clicking on this button, and here you will see the response will be received immediately, and the same person will be created as a subscriber into my MailerLite email marketing software. Okay, so I have refreshed my software. Alright, so here you can see one subscriber has been added, and it is the same email address. If I will open this particular subscriber, you will see the same name and the same details. Alright, so where are the details of this person? And here you can see the same name, the last name, and the phone number. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to register for your webinar by filling out your Typeform form builder, the person will be created automatically as a subscriber into the MailerLite. You do not have to manually export the CSV and import it to the MailerLite. The data will be synced in real time, and you will have to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once, and after that Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually, and whatever the details I have mapped here, let me tell you, whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to take place. And just in case if you want to access this automation, this workflow which I have created in front of you, if you want to access this into your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.